Hi everybody, today we're back in another video. Today I have got an exciting package. It's a horn strobe, a fire alarm horn strobe, and Allie is here with me. She's right here, it's my sister. So let's go ahead and open this up. I don't even know who made this, so I don't actually care. But if you guys want to know who it's by, please comment below. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to open. So, oh my gosh. Alright guys, I finally got it open. A little bit. Allie really wanted to see what it looks like, so that's why she's here with me today. There. Alright guys, it is open. Here is the box with the fire alarm in it, so let's open this. Here it is. My horn strobe. Oh my gosh. So this is it. It's got some screws. The instructions.
I don't think I can do this.
Well, one second. Alright guys, I'm sorry I have to pause the video so much times. Comes with bubble wrap, but no one really likes that. So let's open it up. We got this horn strobe. So 3 tones, and this was made in China. So yeah. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.